Okay student, now we are having one problem, that is from a point Q, the length of the tangent from a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. Find out the radius. We are going to use our previous one definition in this numerical. So first of all we will draw the figure. This is my circle and suppose that center of the circle is O and here is one my point Q, and from Q point I am going to draw one tangent. You know very well tangent is a line which intersect or touches a circle at a single point. I am going to suppose that where this tangent line touches the circle, this point name as P. O is the center and P is the point on the boundary of the circle. It means OP is radius of the circle. Clear? They said that length of the tangent to circle is 24 centimeter. Means length of the tangent they mention it is 24 centimeter. And the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. Distance of Q from the center they mention that it is equal to 25 centimeter and we want to find out the value of R. Now as I told you firstly that radius of the circle and tangent of the circle are perpendicular to each other. So PQ is tangent of circle and OP is radius of circle. Now radius of circle OP that is perpendicular to the tangent. Clear? If this line is perpendicular to this line means angle OPQ that is equal to 90 degree. Now if this angle is 90 degree, it means that triangle POQ, therefore triangle POQ is right angled triangle. It is right angle triangle because here one angle is 90 degree. Now if it is a right angle triangle, I am able to apply here Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? According to the Pythagoras theorem, base square plus perpendicular square is equal to the hypotenuse square. As we know that opposite side of the 90 degree angle is always a hypotenuse. Clear? So this is my base and this one is a perpendicular. So base is PQ square, perpendicular OP square and hypotenuse is OQ square. PQ square means 24 square. OP is radius, we want to find out. OQ is equal to 25 square. From this equation, we are going to find the value of R. 576 R square, 25 square is 625. R square is equal to 625 minus 576. R square is equal to 49. R is equal to 7 centimeter. So radius of the circle is 7 centimeter.